uyabona ke njeke lapha ekhaya Jikelele hayi ziyakhala ke ziyalila ziyahephena azidlali phela siphethe imvubu asishayi siyabulala ngiyabazwela laba bangena ngalesi sikhathi esingena ngaso Nkosi yami ngoba phela nje wonke umuntu lapha ekhala khona Makholi
heke
hayi ngiyabona sani ukuthi kumnandi
hey kumnandi kulithi mlalela inhliziyo yami ibhaka izikonzi ibhaka ngeparafini kunjalo njalo wathi kamnandi kaloku inzwakazi unonkalakazi esithi ukuthi sihlutshwa zintuthane kene nemvukelo wami ndithi chuncembe kulonto yenzayo amaqhuthe mawabaleke kuba uqamatha uvele ngenene usabukele kaloku inkqubo ndaba yakho ithandayo Ekhaya Jikelele kanti ngoko masihlabele mgama sijonge ezichotsha inhla kule yure
Kuqubuke udlame Western Cape ngesikhathi usoseshini wemboni yamatekisi Santakho umemezele ukumisa nse ukusebenza kuze kuphele izinsuku eziyisithupha
Ingqina lombuso kwityala lokubulawa kaSenzo liyaqhubeka ngokunika ubungqina
Baba ngiyabonga wasindisa impilo yami Baba ngiyabonga wasindisa umoya wami oh yeah Lochani ngubathabile Sikhosana la Ekhaya Jikelele la uthola khona indaba ezikhamba phambili zemidlalo ifundo zokuzithabisa umvumo njengoba nami ngila bukela Ekhaya Jikelele ku DTT TV ngamalanga weveke kusukela ngoMvulo kube ngelesihlanu kusukela ekseni ngo6 bekube ngo9 bukela lapha
Inhlangano eyengamele ososeshini bamatekisi eWestern Cape Santakho isizwakalise ukuthi izomisa nse ukusebenza kwayo kulezi izinsuku eziyisithupha ezizayo
in this province.
Mbukeli lokhu kusho ukuthi acela enkulungwane nama20 amatekisi angeke asebenze kusona sonke lesasifundazwe ngaleyo ndlela ke kulindela ukuthi abagibeli abacela inkulungwane eziyishumi basale dengwane kwazise bathembele kulemboni ukufinyelela lapho besuke belibangise khona lokhu kuzemva ukuthi Santakho ihoxile ingxoxweni zoqinisekisa ukusebenza ngendlela kwemboni yamatekisi ngenxa yokuthi umkhandlu waseKapa uyaqhubeka nokushaqa amatekisi
Kulindeleke kuba ingqina lombuso umthokozisi Sithwala abuyele kwinkundla ephakamileyo yasePitoli xa kuqhubeka ityala lokubulala uSenzo Meyiwa ngalentsasa. Uthwala nobengumhlobo senyongweni walomdlalo webhola ngasekhoyo ebengowenani kuluhlu lwabantu bebekhona ngelixa uMeyiwa edutyulwa kongenalisini kwingingqi yaseFosloras kwikhaya lomzali wemvumi uKelly Khumalo kuOktobha kanyaka ka2014 kungokunje amadoda amahlanu asematyaleni ngezityholo zokubulala
Inkosi uMongosuthu Buthelezi isaqashiwe esibhedlela kulandela ingqinamba eyidaleke ngesikhathi ihlinzwa. Kulokhu kungene njalo imiyalezo efisela inkosi uMongosuthu Buthelezi kwelulama ngokusheshsha ngenxa yokungeniswa kwakhe esibhedlela. Umndeni kaNdunankulu kaZulu uthi imbabazana ingeniswe esibhedlela emasontweni amabili edlule ngenxa yezinhlungu emhlane. Ingonyama yesizwe samaZulu uMisuzulu kaZwelithini kanye nomengameli uCyril Ramaphosa bafisela inkosi uMongosuthu kwelulama ngokusheshsha. Lapha ke ohlelweni imbukeliso okhuluma neNdlunkulu kaZulu izochaza kabanzi ngalokhu hlala nathi nje lapha ekhaya Jikelele.
Umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa akazukuphanda njengoko umba othi Kill the Boer usezinkundleni okuvakala ngokutsho kwesithethi sikamongameli uVincent Magwenya obethetha nonondaba malunga neenkqubo ezahlukeneyo umongameli azithethayo kwiveki ezimbini ezizayo. Umagwenya uthi kukho ukuqondwa ongafaniyo kwengoma kodwa oko akunyanzelisi naluphi na uhlobo lophando lwekomishoni kuba oko akuzukunceda okwangoku.
This matter has been before the courts. It is still before the courts. We should allow that process to run its course. We have our own understanding of that song, both from a historical point of view. However, for the President to establish a commission of inquiry on a matter that is before the court is not going to be of any help or constructive in any shape or form.
Okhulumela ihhovisi likaMengameli uVincent Magwenya uthi uMengameli wezwe usazonquma ukuthi yiziphi inyathelo azoyithatha njengoba esewutholile umbiko obizwa ngeLady R.
The panel concluded its investigations on the 18th of July as per the established deadline. There was a submission that arrived late, which caused a minor delay. However, the chair of the panel, Judge Phineas Mujapelo, did not request a deadline extension. The report will be completed and will be ready to be handed to the President as soon as his schedule permits. Once the President has consumed the report, he will then decide on the actions to be followed as guided by the report and on the aspects of the report that will be made public.
Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli Ekhaya Jikelele. Sekufike leso sikhathi ke sokuthi sikwethulele lezo ndaba engondaba mlonyeni noma exoxwa abaningi abantu laba. Ake eyokuqala ke kunama hashtag awu3. Eyokuqala it's #taxi strike, #Kelly Khumalo, #senzumeyiwa lapha ku Twitter noma ku X.
X.com.
Yes.
Twitter into yakudala ngasekhaya. Xa sijonga ke mbukeli pha ku taxi strike. Libatshonele mini ke abakhweli baseKapa wena mamtshali nawe mbukeli bashiyeke becingile ke kumbili waseKapa emva kogwayimbo lwabaqhubi beeteksi. Uyaqonda ukhumbule mbukeli ukuba zithe qolo ukukhapha iziganeko apho sibona khona istrikes zeeteksi ziqhubeka kwelaphondo laseNtshona Koloni. Ndiyarhanela mbukeli into yokubana kulonyaka ophelileyo kude kwabe kanti kutshiswa nebhasi ezimbini. Umbutho ke weteksi Santaco kunye namaqela asebenzisanayo bavumele ngokuhlala kulandela indibani Khayelitsha. Bekukubi kakhulu ke mbukeli yangumbhodamo. Hey umbindi wedolophu yaseKapa ngolwesibini lo esidlula kuyo ngethuba ke abaqhubi beteksi bevale indlela besithi akukho mntu ozawuphuma. Into ethi ke nabantu ke abagibela iteksi nabaye bemisebenzini kulondlela baye bachaphazeleka into esisimanga. Bathe baphefumla ke wena mamtshali pha kumakhasi onxibelelwano. Unail uthini phaya? Uyathi into yokubana Santaco leadership. Every taxi owner and driver, your intention was to inflict damage. You uploaded yourself when you made a resolution to punish your customers. I have been lucky not to use a taxi for years. Payback will come how you treated the people who feed you. #taxi strike.
Shothi lawo impela akahambisana nesinqumo seSantaco sokuthi ke bathathe lesi strike ska 6 days akahambisana impela uthi yena kungcono nakahambi ngetekisi.
Uyathi
ngoba la manje uthi kuhlukunyezwa abantu kodwa yibo nje labantu abanifidayo. Yeah. Ake sizwe enye itweet ukuthi uthini omnye umbukeli. Ulong Stars yena uthi the results #taxi strike in Cape Town is so sad. Yet such a damning reminder of the dire situation millions of our people are in, to not being able to get home to literally bring food for your family. Usho khona ukuthi isimo sibi kakhulu lokho nje kuyaveza ukuthi ngendlela isimo esibi ngayo lapha eNingizimu Afrika ukwazi emsebenzini noma usubuya emsebenzini usustakila usakwazi ukufika endlini ukuthi uzokwazi ukufika nokudla izingane zakho zidle.
Hey imbi kakhulu imeko. Siram uyathi into yokubana yena, to be clear, I do agree that taxi drivers are out of control. I'm just saying the people who use you for a diversity photo ops don't care if you make it home or in one piece. They knew this would spiral, yet they didn't put safety measures in place because their own are safe. Uyathi into yokubana lento imaqongo kakhulu kuba kaloku iyabonakala into yokubana zange bathathe imiqalelo yokhuseleko kuba bona bezikhusela ngokunokwabo. Imbi kakhulu wena le meko kuba ndiye nabona nevideo ecasiba isherwe ngomnye wotaxi driver pha kumakhasi onxibelelwano wena mamtshali esisho into yokubana ya kubusa thina ke namhlanje nizawuzibona uba nizawenze njani. Into ethi nalapha ngaphakathi kubo onotaxi bathi chochoni kudala sinixelele.
And umuthi uyasibuka isizathu kuthiwa babhikishelana. Babhikishela ukuthi imoto zabo iziphathimandla zaseWestern Cape zithatha imoto zabo. Lezi imoto esuka kusuke kuthiwa azikho esimeni sokuba semgwaqeni. So iqale kanjalo ke yonke lento. I-tweet ke yokugcina mayelana nodaba lwe-taxi strike the Iron Duke uthi yena Santaco must never be supported by any black person or organization in their struggles. They have proven over the period of time that they do not care about black struggles as long as they still get profit share from it. Taxi industry must fall. Hayi konke ke lo muntu cha ngathi impela izimvo zababukeli hayi azihambisani neSantaco ziyawugxeka impela isinqumo seSantaco sokuthi senze lokho abakwenzayo basho khona ukuthi cha abacabangeli ke kodwa abantu abamnyama futhi abanandaba nje nomzabalazo nokusokola kwabantu abamnyama. Ikhona ke mbukeli ne hashtag yesibili ethi #Kelly Khumalo. Hayi vele ku Kelly Khumalo kulezi insuku indaba mlonyeni njengoba phela sazi ukuthi liyaqhubeka icala lika Kelly lika Senzomeyiwa lapha enkantolo. Mbukeli ke uKelly Khumalo ke usephinde wasuswa futhi kwi lineup ye jazz eMaseru Jazz Festival Kholosa. Angitshe khumbula ukuthi khona futhi namanye ama promoter bemkhiphilezi kunezedlulile. So ke sekukhona ke iMaseru Jazz Festival uKelly Khumalo ngeka sa performa khona kulandela ke ubufakazi obuthe bavela lapha enkantolo ecaleni kaSenzomeyiwa. Le announcement ke noma ke kuphumele ezindaba zenziwa ngolwesine zenziwa ke yibabaphathi kushuthi bayo iMaseru Jazz Festival bakhipha ke isinqumo izolo ukuthi hayi uKelly Khumalo cha sebeyamkhipha ohlwini lwabaculi abazobe bekhona ke kwiMaseru Jazz Festival.
Hey and khona abanye ke mhlambe bebesithi yo bendizawuthenga itikiti kuba ndibona usazi waye ndimthanda kunene uKelly Khumalo kodwa ngoku xa kuthiwa uyakhutshwa kwi line up andisezi kwaphela into ethi wena mamtshali nakubeni nje kukhona lengqiba kaxaka kumkhaka kaKelly Khumalo kusekhona abantu abathi we stand with you Kelly Khumalo xa umuntu ozawuthi I'm not pulling off noba kuthiwa uyakhutshwa kwi line up andisezi
bakhona impela baningi futhi because ngeke ngabona futhi nasepage lakhe ku Instagram ufakile iposter lapho azobe performa khona nge5 ka August futhi kusasa eMusiville Stadium nakhona ke i-event ye-Women's Day. I-caption yakhe kubhale wafaka isithombe wasethi abahambayo so sala siyincenga
yo
5th of August uzobe eMusiville
yo andisayoyika into ezawuqhubeka kutsho ukuthi ke after lo date kutsho ukuthi izawutrenda senza ingxelo sithi into kubana abantu baye bathini kuba into endiyicingayo mhlambe engathi yenzeka abanye bayela ukuyomenyelisa khona uzawuthi no ndithenga itikiti because mhlambe ndifuna ukuyokwenyelisa kula
ingabe ke that will be a shame if ungathwala lokho kwenzeka ngoba phela ngabe into embi leyo impela thina njenge Ekhaya Jikelele ne SABC asigqugquzela udlame impela uKelly uzohamba ke ucula lapha eMusiville Stadium uyaqhubeka ke nokucula ake sibheke ke ama tweets akhona ukuthi bathini bona babukeli bathi ke uSamkelo King uthi yena Kelly Khumalo must be treated like Rosemary Ndlovu they killed for money ke Samkelo ayike sana
hey ayikunzima sana lapha eMzantsi Afrika uzawuthweswa
ake sibone i-tweet yesibili ithi Kelly Khumalo is beginning to feel the pressure after being removed from yet another music show due to ongoing Senzomeyiwa case developments which revealed Kelly was allegedly called by one of the guys suspected of murdering Senzomeyiwa. The artist has been withdrawn from the lineup of the September 24 Maseru Jazz Festival after being dropped from the Tribute to Women Music Festival on Monday. Usho khona ke naye umsebenzisi ka Twitter lapha yana ukusho ukuthi hayi cha kuyenyukela kuba ngumqansa ke manje kuKelly uma ngabe futhi esephinde futhi esekhishwa ohlwini lwabaculi abazocula kwenye futhi festival kulandela phela leya i-tribute to women nakhona akhishwe khona. Asibone enye i-tweet yesithathu IG uJoy Zelda uthini Makholi
uyatsho uJoy Zelda into kubana Brian Dlovu died Monday forced to drink red poison by a bully at Queen's High School, Kensington. May his beautiful soul rest in power. How many more need to die before bullying taken seriously? Julius Mayelema #Senzomeyiwa trial. Hey andazi ke mhlambi noba uthetha ngantoni xa ithetha ngayo isenzo andazi noba unalwazi otholenzeka pha eKensington.
Yeah ngibona ngazuthi nje usebenzise i ukuze ezosabalalisa ulwazi mayelana lokho kwenzeke lapha yana kulesa sikole esikuphi ise Queen's High School kwaze kwakube ngathi ngalala ngoxolo ke loyo mfundi loyo oshonile bakithi ngathi futhi lungalandela lo daba ke sizwe nesizathu sokuthi kwenzakaleni mhlawumbe singaqhubekela ke kuyitweet elandelayo the hero to hero.
It's okay for event organizers to cancel Kelly Khumalo's gigs until she is proven innocent for the involvement in Senzo's murder. Yathi into kubana mabaqhubeka bethi gqolo bamsuse kwezi event kuba kaloku lusaqhuba uphando lika Senzomeyiwa.
Oh, nangoku Chris Excel uthini yena uthi events have started to cancel Kelly Khumalo on their lineups. We need radio stations to do the same. No airplay for Umgulukudu like they do with male suspects. We're moving on the right direction.
Hey, kuningi.
Siyam. Hayi. Nayo Chris usho lokho ukuthi hayi kuncane lokho. Sekufuneka move lena ku radio cancel.
Oh yena bethu na.
Kunzima khona
But what happened to innocent proven guilty?
Hayi abantu vele phela basuke befaka izimvo zabo nabo angeke sabaphikisa. I-hashtag ke yokugcina ithi #senzomeyiwa. I-hashtag senzomeyiwa ke njengoba wana wazi wena Kholosi ukuthi icala liyaqhubeka ke laphayana abasola abahlanu ababekwe ke amacala ukuthi babulala uSenzomeyiwa. Lawo madoda ke amahlanu ke ase uthwala noma ke utumelo obenza ke ubufakazi laphayana. Into engiyibonileke mina ephumile kuleli icala ke izolo wena Makholi yokuthi kube sekukhulunywa ngeSMS eyathunyelwa uLongwethwala. Ngokushoke kwabacwaningi bathi uLongwethwala wathumela umlayezo ewuthumelela inamba yayisave ngothwala 2 akwaziwa ukuthi uthwala 2 ubani. Kodwa ke into eyayishiwo kule SMS uLongwe wayethi uSenzo has been shot dead. They just shot him in front of us. Okusho ukuthi ke uSenzo useshonile baqeda kumdubula phambi kwethu.
Hey, and uyagcina kaloko into okubana okebethelele emnqamlezweni lo kaLongwe kusithiwa nguwe for leminyaka. Kuba kaloku ngoku xa sekuvela lento ye-SMS sibuyisela umva uba sicingi ngaba mhlawumbe nguye kuba wayityholo kakhulu. Ndiyakhumbula engena nakwi-interviews zoMetro FM esithi into okubana no andiyenzanga. Abantu bephikisa besithi intetho yakho kodwa uyazitshintsha uthetha le. So asazi ke njengokuba kuvelele SMS esitsho kuba la SMS xa uyifunda ingathi yena ebengekho mhlambi kubantu bebephethe umphu xa ithi they uthi ba
isho kanjani nanokuthi kodwa ngaphambilini ke kwathiwa uthi nowaphuma wabaleka.
Uyayibona ke ngoku
so ke ubufakazi bona impela kodwa ke sobona ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ukuthi buqhubeka ke buthini. Hayi ke asivale lapho ke ezama tweets sakhona i-tweet enye nangu Rustenburg Finest. Oh mayikhuluma ke ngodaba lika Senzomeyiwa uthi not me thinking about Zandile Khumalo and her rudeness Bathung. Why can't they just tell us who shot Senzo so that we move on as a country?
Hey, mhlambe ngesamuva on if mhlambe kwavela inyani kwasekuqaleni.
Nangoko usenungu yena ngathi ukhuluma ngayo le SMS kaLongwe kade ngikhuluma ngayo ithi Senzo is dead, he just got shot in front of us. So ke usho ukuthi izinto eziphuma lapho ukuthi Senzo died in the house washonela endlini. 2 uLongwe never left those house lento ade ngisho ukuthi uLongwe akazaphume kushuthi endlini. Number 3 Longwe was able to SMS Chico but not call ambulance. Kusho ukuthi ke usenungu uyacabanga ukuthi le number kuthiwa uthwala 2 kusho ukuthi kwakuyinamba mhlambe kaBaba wakhe. Usho khona ukuthi njengoba phela ebeshila uColonel Stein uLambethas esho ukuthi ena ayikhi umuntu wayesendlini washayela amaphoyisa noma bezime iphuthumayo. So ke usenungu sesho lokho ukuthi uyabona uLongwe wakwazi yena ukuthumela umlayezo athumelele omunye umuntu kodwa akwazanga ukubiza ambulance. Eyokugcina ke i-tweet ithi according to Mthoko Senzo was shot in Longwe's absence but Longwe's SMS sent to Chico states they just shot Senzo in front of us. The SMS was sent at 2026. Hey yabona phela hayi abantu bakhuluma ikakhulukazi ke ngayi SMS leyo ke kaLongwe. Mbukeli asikwaziseke njalo ukuthi lembono akusiyona eye-SABC noma izisebenzi zakhona okufaka phakathi abadidiyeli kanye nabethuli balo lolu hlelo. Lembono ke ngiyababukeli ngakho angeke iSABC yabekwa icala ngokuphawula okuvela kulama tweets. Asikugcizeleleke mbukeli ukuthi ngiyababukeli bohlelo.
Vani vitanale, zoyithatha phile malenga yena kashongana kakufuni mangana lutabangana bayamtheqeza batabamboni ibathusa nginyoka file sibali nokuthenga amapiya kankhoni mina zoyithatha phile malenga lamntana kashongana kude kakufuni
Sikwamukele mbukeli Ekhaya Jikelele. Ingonyama yesizwe samaZulu uMisuzulu kaZwelithini usephefumlile ngokungeniswa esibhedlela kaNdunankulu kaZulu inkosi uMangosuthu Buthelezi. Sekuyinto eyaziwayo ke mbukeli ukuthi usungu lusegunjini lwabagula kakhulu esibhedlela kanti ezakamva-ke zithi isimo siyaqhubeka nokubanzima. Ukuthola kabanzi isixhumana nomlomo wayo ingonyama umntwana uAfrika Zulu mngonomnyama siyakhuleka endlunkulu kaZulu.
Siyabingelela hlabangani sibingelele nakubabukeli emakhaya.
Sibonge kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho mntwana. Ingabe ithini imbube njengoba edunguzela nje undunankulu wesizwe samaZulu?
Ewe, imbube ithi asihlale edolweni siqinise emkhulekweni inxoxa nje isizwe sonkana ukuthi masikhulekise undunankulu waso umntwana wakaphinda ngene ukuthi alulame akwazi ukuthi naye abuyele ekhaya enjoy impilo yomndeni ade enjoy before asijabulile nezisilo kodwa konke sikubeke kumdali ukuthi uNkulunkulu makalezi iqiniso athinte ahambele umntwana esibhedlela imfisela nje ukwelulama okuhle futhi okukhulu ukujuma.
Ezakamuva zithini ke ndaba ngesimo sempilo yomntwana okwaphinda ngene esibhedlela?
Akukho kusho sakuzwile sigcine nje sizwe ukuthi ubuye wabuyela esibhedlela ngenxa ukuthi babemenze ioperation yama pains a week back and washo ukuthi waba nama complications wadingakala ukuthi abuye abuyisele esibhedlela kodwa umndeni usiqinisekisile ukuthi nje udinga ukuthi abe sethuze nodokotela up until alulame ngokwanele.
Yebo ke njengoba usho nawe ukuthi imbubi ikhathazekile kanjalo ke phela nabantu nje ke uZulu wonkana ukhathazekile ngokudunguzela komntwana. Ingabe uthini ke nje umyalezo kaMphame Ephuce ewubhekise esizweni sikayise?
Ingonyama ifisa ukuthi nasemakhaya uZulu wonkana aqhubeke ngokuthi anakekele abantu abadala ahloniphe abantu abadala abayigugu lesizwe akuyibona abaphethe yonke into ezokwenza ukuthi thina njengentsha thina njengoba babasemakhaya nomama sikwazi ukuthi siqhubeke nekusasa eliqhakazile ngoba woba umongo kaZulu kubalekile ukuthi abantu abadala bephathwe kahle from the time bekhona emakhaya bengakaguli lapho sibegula nje akwazi benikeza indawo yabo.
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu ke Mnguni ngeyithinta imbabazane emahaba. Lokho ke mbukele besikhuluma naye ngumntwana wasonkweni umntwana uAfrika Zulu. Besixoxa naye ke ngokudunguzela komntwana wakwaphinda ngene. Njengamanje ke mbukela siqu 8 sizobe emva komzuzwana.
Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi uba usandula ukungena ufika sesichwechwela ngasemnyango. Uthi Nyiko Hillary Khoza owaziwa ngoMiss Hillary waqala ke ucula ngonyaka ka-2022. Uthi Nyiko ke usebenzisa umculo wakhe ukukhuthaza amasiko namagugu aseMzantsi Afrika. Umculo wakhe ke ugxile kumasiko esiSonga. Namhlanje ke usindwendwele apha e-studio ezokobelana nathi ngengoma yakhe asandula ukuyikhupha ethi Panza Tinyiko. Kupanda Tinyiko, right?
It's Panza.
Panza.
Yes.
Lalela ngizongena esithongweni namhlanje. Ngizofunda. Siyajabula ukuthi usindwendele namhlanje uye wasiperformela kamnandi. Oko sibile ezithe xhopho usivuselela ntombazana. Siyaqondile ukubana music you come from a lineage of musicians, and umkhulu wakho is one of the people abaye bathi baku-inspire into yokubana ungene emculweni. Ungathi mhlawumbe ujonga uhambo lwakho lokuba kanjani, and looking at you namhlanje, how has that shaped you?
I mean, I always say ukuthi background, really shapes who you are. It really shows you ukuthi vele uyophelelaphi. So coming from a family of good entertainers, entertainment, music, dance, you name it all, yithi nje Janes and Jacks of all trades, and we're mastering everything.
Yeah.
It really, shaped me to be a person that I am today. But ngathi ngibonga kakhulu them saying, do what you want to do, supporting me, and ukuthi ngibe lana today is truly because of their blessings. Yeah.
So background ibalekile. So uthetha nje igazi lakho ligijima amakhosi if singathi iqhwisi kutofe siphupha igazi. So for many entertainers, amazing.
Any day.
Wow. And we know that you started off as a dancer. From being a dancer hayibo so ucula. So jonga mntazi ekhaya uzibambe zombini, dancing and also doing music. How do you balance the two to make sure that yes, ndifuna dancer but also nomculo ndiukhuphe? And share with us, how did that transition go about?
I think even as a dancer, growing up, as a dancer, you need music to dance. So there's always been that relationship, and I've done music, in choirs and so forth. But I always felt like there is a part of me, engfuna expressa in music. So the transition was very easy, because it's not like I'm leaving anything behind. I'm actually getting to do what I love together at the same time. So, yeah.
And your greatest wish when you started off in the music industry was to collaborate with one of the big guns good music industry, Osho Majozi, Omakadzi, na Miss SA 2022, Ushudu, Ubukhona. And since lendo ibingumnqweno wakho and usebenzisa namanina, looking now into yokubana sikwinyanga yamanina, why do you think as an artist it's important that singamanina we empower each other, singacekelani phansi? Because we know industry, usafika sake simbone. But why is it important, especially when we are come like we women empowerment?
I mean, I gained a lot from, other women. And ngati, for us in entertainment, women in entertainment, it's very important for us to, to have each other's backs, because at the end of the day, we are all we've got. It's a tough world to be a young black woman, not just being a woman. So if we are together in everything, and that regardless of what may happen, someone else will be there for you instead of looking down on you. So, yeah.
Amazing. And you have been part of the world's biggest festival. And is that you are conveying italente lakho, ungalibali isiko nezithethe namagugu esiTsonga. Ndifuna ndibalisele ngale ngoma yakho entsha oyikhuphileyo. And what's the whole inspiration? Abantu mhlambe xa befuna ukukulandela bayikubhuka bakufumana phi?
So Ipanza is part of my EP. My EP dropped today, Best of Both Worlds. So ichaza nje me as a person, as an African, best of both worlds, traditional and modern, because as much as I'm cool and all that, I'm still traditional, and I'm not leaving that behind. But most importantly, I'm not just saying I'm Tsonga. I'm saying I'm African. I'm going for every tradition and culture, because that's who we are. That's where we come from. We are all one. We are in one root. So that's one thing I'm trying to convey. And people can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter. It's X now.
In fact, after this show, I'm going to send the challenge because you gotta
be ready.
I'm ready, baby girl. Thank you so much for joining us.